So, you know what's funny about life? Sometimes the days we don't plan somehow ended up becoming our favorite memories. This was supposed to be just a small play date. My boys invited their friends over. Just a normal afternoon. Well, at least that was what I thought. I woke up thinking, okay, let's make this nice. Nothing extravagant, just something warm, something the children will remember. Then I headed out to get few things for the house, and honestly, I love those little errands. There's something calming about preparing your home for people. This is my first time. Maybe it's because of the way I just love people to receive me, and that's I had to do that. I did a lot of cleaning, table, refresh flowers, a nicely arranged space, that good food. Those little things quietly say, I'm happy you are here. On the drive, I kept thinking about how excited my boys were. That kind of excitement, mommy. When are they coming? Have you bought everything? Can we start now? By the time I got back home, it was time to start setting everything up. The flowers went to the table, then the plate, then the paint, the brushes, the canvas, everything slowly started coming together. And I remember looking at the table thinking, this actually looks beautiful. Not expensive, not perfect, just beautiful. And then life happened. My sister called. She said she was coming over. A friend also stopped by, and someone else came with drinks, another came with pizza, and somehow our little play date became a full gathering. I honestly laughed because this wasn't planned, but somehow it became even better than I planned. I think that's one thing adulthood has taught me. Sometimes the best moments don't ask for permission. They simply arrived. The food finally came. We went out to pick it up, and I even enjoyed that little drive. Nothing serious, just conversation, looking outside the scenery and appreciate those ordinary moments. Then it was back home, back to arranging the table, again back to making sure everything looks nice. Everyone settled in. I don't know why, but I genuinely enjoyed hosting these people because this is actually my first time doing all this. Seeing everyone comfortable makes me happy. Immediately the energy changed. The house became louder. There were tiny footsteps everywhere, little conversation that didn't even make sense. And somehow it was perfect. Watching them paint was probably one of my favorites. They had children don't overthink things. They don't worry about getting perfect. They just create. One mixed colors that didn't even belong together. Another proudly showed everyone a painting that only makes sense to them. And every single one of them believed they had created a masterpiece. Maybe that's how life should be. Maybe we should stop trying so hard to be perfect and simply enjoy creating. The parents weren't left out either. At some point, we found ourselves talking, laughing, sharing stories, dancing, taking pictures, and just existing. No pressure, no business meetings, no deadlines, no stress, just people enjoying people. And honestly, I think I needed that more than I realized. Running a business is beautiful. I'm genuinely grateful for everything God is doing. But sometimes when you are constantly building and problem solving, you forgot to pause. You forgot that life is also happening while you are working. For a few hours that day, I wasn't thinking about orders. I wasn't thinking about content. I wasn't thinking about emails. I wasn't thinking about numbers. I was just simply present. And that felt so good. As a mom, there are days when I feel life feels incredibly heavy. You are trying to build, trying to provide, trying to be strong, trying to be available, trying to make memories, trying not to disappoint anyone. Sometimes it feels like you are carrying the whole world on your shoulder. But this day reminded me that God has been beautiful, has a beautiful way of sending people into our lives exactly when you needed them, even when you didn't ask, even when you didn't expect it. Looking around that day, seeing children laughing, seeing adults smiling, seeing food everywhere, hearing conversation, I quietly said to myself, thank God, because this wasn't a play date. This felt like a reminder that I'm not doing this life alone. Remember that joy still finds us. Remember that community matters. Remember that home isn't about having a fantasy thing. Sometimes it's about simply creating a space where people feel safe. The food didn't disappoint us. And thank you so much for spending this most beautiful day with us. If this vlog made you smile, reminded you to slow down, and inspire you to create little moments with people you love, then I really appreciate you joining our little family here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, subscribe, and leave me a comment below. I genuinely love to know what's one beautiful unplanned memory you ever had. I will see you in my next vlog. Until then, keep making memories, because those ordinary days often become the story we'll all cherish. Bye now. Keep making memories. See you in my next video.